Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aditya. Today I will teach you the subject biology and about it to introduction to cells. So let's jump into our topic, introduction to cells. So what is a cell, friends? Cell is a fundamental, structural and functional unit of life, friends. So it is very important to the human body because the human body is made up of cells only, with tissues, cells, organisms. So cell is very important. So the whole body is made up of cells only. So friends, today we are going to discuss about types of cells. So the types of cells there are two types. First one is unicellular. So here the word uni means single, and multicellular. So what is the difference between a unicellular and multicellular, friends? So here unicellular means the organism means a particular organism which is having only one cell. So uni means single and multi means so many. So for suppose examples are yeast. So yeast will come in the category of fungi, but fungi is a multicellular. But in the fungi squad, the yeast is unicellular. So yeast is only having one cell, friends, and only one nucleus. So what is nucleus, friends? Nucleus means for suppose let's take an example of human beings. So human beings have the body, and the body is having brain. So same only, the yeast is a microorganism and it has cells, and nucleus is the brain of the cell. It's the main part of the cell. So this is a cell, friends, and inside very small, not that much small, means the nucleus size will be this nucleus. So nucleus is the brain of the cell. If nucleus is not there, the cell will not work and the organism will be dead. So yeast is a unicellular, and multicellular let's take as humans. Humans are multicellular organisms. In humans, so many cells will be there. Humans are having multicellular. So you know WBC, white blood cells, and red BC, red blood cells, red BC, WBC. So these are the two types, and blood cells, red blood cells, and the platelets are also type of cell, friends. And so many cells are there. There are so many types in human bodies. And mangoes, example. Mangoes, except the bacteria, virus, all the organisms and microorganisms are multicellular, except bacteria and virus. Sorry, but virus is not having any cell. It's a disease organ. The virus is not having any cell. It's a prokaryotic cell. So you might be listening this word prokaryotic for first time. So let's discuss about the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic and prokaryotic cells. So what is a prokaryotic, friends? Prokaryotic cells means the cells which have only for bacteria, yeast. So these are prokaryotic means for suppose let's take an example of bacteria. So bacteria is not having a well defined and developed cell. So the cells which are not having a developed and a defined nucleus, they're not having a well developed and defined nucleus in the organism or a cell, that type of organism like bacteria is called prokaryotic cells. And what are eukaryotic cells? They will have a well defined and a proper developed nucleus. So what are we? Humans are what? Humans are having what type of cells? Humans are having eukaryotic cells, because humans are multicellular and eukaryotic, because eukaryotic are having well defined, well developed nucleus, and in our body also there are cells, and the cells are having well defined and developed nucleus in human bodies. So humans are eukaryotic. Mangoes, animals, except the bacteria and virus, except the bacteria and virus, all the organisms and microorganisms are eukaryotic. And prokaryotic means bacteria, virus. So this is our today's class, friends. So if you like the video, press the like button and do share to friends and do subscribe. And that's all from my side. Thank you. Take care. Bye. Good night.